quick room tour of 6217 on the Carnival Pride. In the door. There's plenty of closet space. It's got your life jackets and one robe. You have a shelf here. Your refrigerator. Couple of slots. There's a drawer here. This is the setup for 4 people. Comfortably seats 2 kids, one on the top, one on the bottom. You go straight through to the balcony, which is a very large balcony. Very large balcony, good size. You have lifeboats down below. Little jutted out balcony area to your right. But it works very well. Back through. You have a regular bed, 2 chairs and a little table. The room steward pulled down the bed first day and it stayed like that the whole time. You only get 1 room service a day. They only come in and make your bed once, and that's the only time they come in your room during the day. You've got a safe. The safe needs a card with a magnetic strip. And you cannot use your sign and sale card. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers here. Another closet here. You've got 8 drawers here. Very spacious space. You've got a nice vanity and a sink outside of the bathroom. Large mirrors. You've got another closet here. And it opens over here as well. This particular closet sticks every once in a while and you've got to put the right side back on its tracks. And the bathroom. Large bathroom, toilet, bidet, and a tub with jets, and a shower. And then you have a large double sink, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 glass shelves, and a hanging hook, couple hanging hooks, and a couple of hanging hooks on the wall outside the bathroom. And all the walls are magnetic, so you can hang hooks and stuff. But that is your tour. Oh, there's a small TV that pivots left and right, and it's quite a tiny TV for a room this size, but it does the trick. Hope you enjoy the tour of room 6217.